welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing some makeup. So here's the makeup bag that I just found. So let's open it. So this is that I have the makeup bag and it looks so pretty to me. So first let's start with the blusher, and I'm going to be using this kind of glittery pink for the blusher because I really love it and it looks so amazing. So let's put it on. Sorry that it's dirty because I've been using it for years and months. And days. So let's just tap 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 some here and tap 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 here and tap 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 here and put it just the right example. You know, you can buy this from a makeup shop, okay? There's any color you want. You can buy any color you want, okay? Next, I'm going to put some eyeshadow. Next, I'm going to put some eyeshadow, which is going to be the same color, but the same color. So this is this color, the pink blusher color, and this is the eyeshadow color of the blusher. So let's just put some blusher. Tap, 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 tap. See into the mirror. Wow, it looks so amazing. See how it turned out. Oh, it's a nice color. It's a nicer color than nice. Like, I want to put some here. 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 Okay, I'm going to put some. Wow, it looks very amazing. Just put a little dip here, a little dip, a little dip here, a little dip there. And put it back. And now let's do some of these. I don't know what they're called, but I'm going to pick up these for you guys. Come on. You know, if you don't want to go like this, you could just cut it out. If you don't want it to go like this, you can just get it up like this. So let's put some, and I'm going to put some of it just here because it's this one. So just let's put it, because this is the only one that's not blusher. Tommy, huh? There you go. There you go. And a bit. There you go. And now you need to keep this safe for you if you have this kind of makeup, okay? Or any makeup with this part, okay? You need to keep it safe with you because anytime you use it, you just take it out and then put it back on the finish, okay? Because it's very good. It's gonna let it, the same size, it's going to let the brush like it's same size. Just like this one, right over here. Put it back into its place. And now we're going to do some eyebrows. I'm just gonna go eyeliner, and I never did eyeliner. I'm just kidding. No, I don't want to do eyeliner. What do we do next? Eyebrows, yes, right. Eyebrows is next. I have to do that with eyeshadows. Oh no, oh no, oh no. I didn't put eyeshadow here, but I just put eyeshadow here. So that's why I said, oh no. dab, dab, dab here. Oh my goodness. Dab, 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 dab here. Dab, 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 dab there. Dab, dab, dab here. Dab, dab, dab. Wow, it looks so amazing. Like, wow! There you go. Now let's put it back. Brushy brush, brush. Now the eyebrows. Starting finally. Just a bit some eyebrows of here. There you go.
Yes. Yes.
And a bit of eyebrow.
Okay.
Okay. Now let's just this one. It's not. You don't dip it in mascara. Okay. You know what to do with that? You just put it under your eyes so the these gets very smooth. So it's good for you. There's no mascara on this set. This is for your kids or anybody. There you go. And now let's be doing lips or lipstick. I'm just kidding. You know this, guys, right? If you don't know it, I'm going to show you what it is and tell you. This is for your eyebrows, and it lets your eyebrows so smooth. Like it's like a brush, like someone just started brushing your eyebrows. And it makes your eyebrows smoothy and better. Let's just put it in. Some splashed on me. Okay. There you go. I'm looking at a mirror. That's why, guys, I'm not looking at you because I'm looking at a mirror. So that's why I'm not looking at you. There you go. Now you can wait until it dries because it needs to be dried. And now let's put some lipstick. So the lipstick that I'm going to be choosing is lip gloss and lipstick. And I would like this lip gloss. So many lip kits. Let's open the lip gloss. Now let's put some on our lips. my lips.
Mama, say bye. Happy New Year.
Okay guys, now I have 2 mirrors, that's why I'm looking here and there. Nothing else. What else there is to do? Okay, nail polish, no. Okay, that's the end of the video, but I'm going to show you how to close it. Close first and then put these two here and then let them like this. How to open it, just up and you get these two tips out. And they open. So this is how you open this one. And now we need to close. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to close these two. But first, let's start with this one. How to close this one is these. It's just